Russian cosmonaut records UFOs. Roscosmos Russian cosmonaut Ivan Vagner is famous for his beautiful shot of the comet Neowise. He has now uploaded a set of pictures, videos, put together as a video of a mysterious object, 4 or 5 bright dots suddenly appearing when he was passing over the Australia. And as you can see, there were 5 dots moving parallel to each other. And then he reaches, of course, the Antarctic. We see the Aurora on the way. Beautiful shot. And you see the stars actually reaching that bright line. That is atmosphere, upper atmosphere. They are not completely vanishing. They shine through the atmosphere, then they suddenly vanish. That is where the Earth, the solid body of the Earth, starts. So you see the atmosphere practically here in this beautiful video. It's made of several, multiple shots, time lapse as they call it, and the video is made of these images. And now you can see there's some, probably South America or somewhere. You can see. Is again those auroras. You see it again. Just uploaded that part, which was beautiful. And you see the setting of the stars in the atmosphere. Anyway, we don't know what were those pictures. Starlink weapon system? Could be.